Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can import a Word document into an Excel file or table really quickly and without having any advanced technical skills whatsoever. So if you're curious, make sure you follow along. And now let us get started. So access the Excel table or file or document you would like to add your Word document to, and start by clicking on Insert or by choosing the Insert tab here at the top. And here in the Insert tab, make sure you pay attention to that side here on the right. So what you want to do here under text is select object here. And after that, here in that window, switch from create new to create from file here. And here it says file name, click on browse here to the right. And after that, simply locate the Word document file on your device, like a computer or laptop. Select it, locate it, upload it. And after that, confirm by clicking on OK here. That is going to add the given Word document to your Excel file. As you can see, it worked perfectly. And now you may, for example, resize it or move it around here on your Excel file or document. And also, guys, to edit or to customize your Word document, simply double click on it, and that is going to give you access to it so that you may, for example, change the text or edit or customize it, and so on and so forth, guys. So super simple, as you can see. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see each other in our next video.